Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Garage. In this episode, I will give you a special review of the TM V10 Ultra Compact Airsoft Replica, together with the Garda upgrade version. I say special review because what I'm going to talk is different from the other reviewers because I do not care about the shooting performance. Therefore, no accuracy test, no Kono. Let's start it. This is the stock plastic line frame. For license marking, no Springfield logo, but the rear side and here got the Nova brand name. My opinion is the Nova license does not make it better. There's no need. It is the outer barrel. It is of two-tone style. I am not a big fan of electroplating because when the plastic surface got some detail marking, you will easily find that the plating is actually very thick and everyone can tell it is a plastic. Another problem is most manufacturers will not fine-tune a plastic part before applying the plating process. And if the surface is not flat or there exists some seam line, the result is, for example, looking at this replica, it is a Tanaka Airsoft revolver in here. You will find seam line here. There's no way a real steel will make it. So back to this outer barrel. The other problem is the character marking here is of two style, and that two style is got huge difference. I don't like it. Now take a look to the slide. The box tell you that the surface of both the slide and frame got two types of finishing. I don't see any obvious difference between these two surfaces. I mean obvious differences. But if you touch it, you'll feel that the vertical surface is smoother. In addition, the overall outlook is so plastic. For the rear side, it is rock solid, and I think it is made of zinc alloy. You got the Nova brand name here. For the grips, they are made of hard plastic and sprayed with matte finish, which is very easy to wear off. There is a TM logo in the middle, and under the grips, there is a big dummy metal to increase the overall weight of the replica. I have upgraded some of the external parts with the steel equivalent produced by Garda, including the slide, the frame, the grip safety, the thumb safety, and plus a steel-made high rear sight produced by another airsoft company, Lampo Arms. There are 4 parts I'm planning to upgrade, including the spring housing, the mag release button, the slide catch, and the trigger. For the trigger, I think perhaps only aluminum version will be available. Now let's take a look to the outlook of this replica. The first thing I like to check is the fitting between the slide and the frame. It can move sideways for about half millimeter and move vertically also for about half millimeter near the front section. I would like to say it is average only. The serration here is sharp, is good. Now let's hear the sound of the slide action. I think it's not bad. For the outer barrel, I checked some picture on the internet about the marking over the real steel chamber. Some show two style and some show single style. For this replica part, the marking are of two styles, and I think it look much better than the stock one. But I feel that the color of the chamber section is too dull. It may be related to the grading of the steel that it is made of. Now let's check the trigger action. The trigger pull is constant. I mean, the force I apply over the trigger from the start till the hammer is released doesn't change too much. And the reset. You can notice that the trigger need to move to the very beginning position before firing the second round. Now let's hear the sound of the hammer action. I feel that the hammer sound is not good enough, provided that it is a steel hammer. Let's check the grip safety. The action is accurate and it won't be grabbed by the trigger and stuck the reset action. I mean, if the grip safety is released before the trigger is released, they won't be stuck together. But I found that the cutting here is not accurate. They don't match. I think both parts got their design fault. By the way, both of them are produced by Gada and they should notice that. Now let's check the thumb safety. The fitting is clear and it can be accessed and operated by my thumb in a comfortable manner. The amount of force applied by the D10, I prefer a stronger D10 spring. A little bit stronger will be better. One thing I feel is not good enough is this edge. This edge. The edge in here is supposed to be chamfered to smooth out the grip feeling. The stock part does not come with such cutting, nor the guard one. And I have tried to make the chamfer. I think I need to make it bigger. Now let's do some manual decock action. Now let's do some weight measurement. The total weight of the replica with empty magazine is 972 grams. And the weight of the slide without barrel, which will in turn affect the blowback performance, is 230 grams. For a compact model, I think the slide is heavy, but it is made of steel. Finally, let's check the blowback action. First, check if there is no bullet in here. I have installed the dry fire follower here to prevent the slide to be locked. Let's check it. I heard that Tokyo Marui has made a major changes with the design of the blowback unit of their 1911 series since the model M45A1. And I think the blowback performance is still good after upgrading it with the steel slide. That is the end of this episode. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and hit the like button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.